Alright, so this particular website actually pays you in real USDC. I mean, on this particular website, you earn real cash without even having to do anything really serious. So this particular website actually solve the problem that a lot of crypto guys are facing, especially people who are hunting Airdrop, and they have decided to actually reward users who complete certain tasks. Simply, you have to complete a task and you get paid instantly, and that payment, there is no threshold. You can simply withdraw instantly. There's nothing too hard about this particular website. I'm going to be talking about it briefly, and I'm going to be giving you full detail on every single thing you need to know about this particular website. So looking down right here, personally I have completed about 18 tasks right here, and I have actually earned a total of 1900 RC, and currently there's only one task left for me to complete. All right, so looking up right here, you can see from my balance, you can see that my available balance to claim right here is 445 reward coins. Now 445 reward coin is equivalent to 0.445 USDC, which I'm going to be withdrawing right on this video. I'm going to be withdrawing it live. All right, so after watching this video, if you're interested on this type of stuff, the link to this particular website is going to be right there on the video description box. All right, so before we proceed with the video, before I show you how to withdraw and all that, please, if you are new to our channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly do it to subscribe. It means a lot to us and it keeps pushing us to make even much more content that's going to end up rewarding a lot of us. All right, so without wasting time, guys, let me show you how the task look like before I will show you how to actually withdraw. Now coming over here to quest, you can see we have quest right here, or you can scroll down and see we have quest right here, and we also have quest here. So anyone you claim is taking you to exactly the same place. All right, so you go ahead and click over here on quest, and once you click on quest, it's going to be showing you the available quest for you to complete. Over here, guys, I have this quest right here available, and currently if you look over here, you can see that only 120 spots left. This simply means that after 120 persons complete this task, it will no longer be available. And over here you can see that after completing this particular task, you are going to be earning 350 reward coin. Now when you convert 350 reward coin to USDC, it is equivalent to 0.35 USDC. All right, so for completing one task, you earn up to $0.3. This is just one of the tasks. All right, so coming over here to the task that I have completed, you can see over here when I click on it, let me see if it will show. It will show you a list of tasks that I have completed. A lot of them have even 500 reward coin. Imagine getting $0.5 immediately after completing a task that won't even take you up to 10 minutes or even 5 minutes. That's even too much. All right, so right now I'm not going to be talking much about this particular website. I'm simply going to be showing you how you can be able to withdraw. I want to prove to you that the withdrawal works. Okay, so if you want to be getting a full detailed guide on how you can be able to actually go around this website and all you need to know completely, I'm going to be leaving a video to a link to a video that's going to be teaching you all that. I have already made a full video guide on that. I'm going to be dropping the link to that video on this video description box and probably on the comment section as well. So we are going to proceed into the withdrawal. So clicking over here on your my reward, if you click on my reward, then it's going to be showing you all these. Okay, now let me show you something you need to know before I will leave. When I come back right here to quest, then I will come to available quest right here. So this quest right here, I will click on it. Now once you click on it, they're going to be showing you what you need to do. All right, so to be able to complete this quest, you need to take note of the following. All right, so first of all, you need to follow this person right here on this link. Okay, you need to follow this link to follow the person, and you need to repost that person's post on LinkedIn following this particular link right here in green color. All right, so after you must have done that, you are going to be required to take a screenshot that proves that you actually followed that person and also prove that you reposted. They will give you example of how that screenshot should look like. The screenshot should show that you followed the person and also show the person's post. All right, so once you have gotten that particular screenshot, then you have to scroll down. Okay, you need to scroll down right here to upload that screenshot. All right, or you can see they say right here, upload the screenshot and type your LinkedIn profile URL to complete the verification of the quest. Now they say that the screenshot should be very clear. Now when you click on start the quest, you are starting the quest, and right now you can see time left to complete over 3 hours before you are going to be missing out on this particular quest. Okay, so when you click over here on verify, because I've already done that, I need to include the screenshot right here. Now that I have included the screenshot, I need to type in my profile URL. To get my profile URL, I need to go back to LinkedIn. All right, so over here on my LinkedIn, I need to go to my profile. How do I even get the URL? So I will click on this gear button right here. Let me see if I can find it right here. Okay, I think it's somewhere here, so click on this straight line. Okay, then you're gonna be seeing share profile via. Okay, I have to copy this lengthy link, and once I have copied that lengthy link, I have to go back to that particular website where I'm trying to verify that I've actually completed that particular task. Then I have to put down my profile link right here. All right, so once I'm done doing that, then I'm going to have to proceed. Okay, I'm going to have to proceed. Then I will click on verify down here. Once I click on verify, it is going to load up and they are going to say that my own is pending. Okay, you can see under review. After some time, they are going to be releasing it and they are going to be giving me 350 reward coin. Now when I come over here to withdrawal, I will go to my reward first. Now I've already linked my wallet. You can see I've already linked it, and over here on my balance I have 445 reward coin. So scrolling down right here, I need to first of all claim that coin, then swap it to USDT. All this activity is going to be landing that coin into that my connected wallet. So when I scroll down, I need to input amount that I want to withdraw. I will click on it, then I will put 400. Let me just withdraw 400. Okay, I will click on continue. Okay, now clicking on continue right now, I'm claiming 400 reward coin from my account. This is going to be bringing this reward coin into my wallet. Then when it gets there, we then swap it to USDC. You can see congratulations, your quest has been successfully completed. Okay, you can see my quest has been completed also. Okay, now meaning that particular task that I just showed you guys, I have completed it. Okay, so right now let me go back to my reward page. Okay, I have this 55 reward coin left after I swapped 400. Now I will come over here to swap. Okay, now coming over here to swap, you can see I swapped over around 400, but some of them was taken for charge. That is why I have 392 reward coin right here. I was just gonna have to go ahead and put 390 this side, then I'm gonna have to swap it. Okay, my screen is just not enough for this. Okay, now I have clicked on continue. Right now I'm swapping 390 reward coin to receive 0.39 USDC. I will click on confirm swap. This is going to be popping up your wallet, and you are going to need to confirm it right now. Okay, now our wallet has popped up automatically. We just need to confirm it. I will click on confirm, and remember to create a new wallet for this. As you can see, I created a new wallet which I named Beeezo, and right now you can see it is processing my transaction. You can see swap successful. I have successfully swapped my reward coin into USDC, and right now it is inside my wallet. You know, when you complete a task, you are going to be given RC. That RC is called reward coin, and that reward coin is what you need to swap into the actual USDC. Now you can see the minimum that you can claim is 100 USDC. So when I go right now to my MetaMask wallet, let me see if I've received it right there. So over here on my MetaMask wallet, you will see that I've received it. Okay, so you can see my balance has increased because I have only 0.1 right here or before, and over here today's date is 21st of March 2026. You can see swap RC to USDC. You can see minus 39 RC, and over here guys, you can see this was when I have already swapped it to okay, this is supposed to be plus right here. okay, but it's saying minus. Maybe that's how MetaMask writes it. So let me just go ahead and check my balance right here on MetaMask real quick. Okay, I think it will be more clearer right there. Okay, just bear with me. Let me see what I'm gonna have right here, but I'm pretty sure my balance increased right here when I come to token. Let me, okay, this is it. You can see this is my USDT where I've received it already. I'm supposed to have shown you guys my balance before actually making the withdrawal to prove that what I said was right. So over here, this is it. I have 0.49 USDC right here, and I've got 0.1 before. I wish the transaction, okay, this was it. Okay, this was it. This was my activity right here. You can see the last transaction that I did right here was on January 12th. That was my last transaction, and the next transaction is today, which got me 0.39 RC. I swapped my RC to USDC. Okay, that was what actually happened right here, and basically this is how you actually swap your reward coin, which you are going to be getting for interacting on that website, to USDC, and it lands directly into your wallet. All right, so this is all you need to know right now. If you have any question, do let me know. Watch the previous video that I made already to get to know more about this particular website. Thank you for watching, and I'll be talking to you on the next video dropping very soon.